Hello, welcome to my presentation article summary. My name is Chawei Diane Yan. Today is March 17, 2013. We will talk about the article presented by Santoko Yamamoto from Columbia University. Can corrective feedback bring about substantial changes in the learner interlanguage system? My topic is corrective feedback in second language acquisition. We have two questions to discuss. First question, can corrective feedback work in the long term or short term? Second question, what are the factors necessary for corrective feedback to have a long-lasting effect? So, the purpose study is, can corrective feedback bring changes in second language acquisition? We do have problem not clear if they have long-lasting effect. Here we have two cases. Number one, we split ESL learners into two. Group 1 give a adverb placement. Group 2 give a questionnaire. So after 14 days, 7 hours a day instruction, guess what? The group 1 wins. Obviously, the question formation doesn't work, and group 1 wins, but they only works in the short term. That proves the corrective feedback was effective in short term, but does not have a long-term effect. So here study shows case 2. Case 2 present what are the crucial factors teachers need to bring in class, what are the most appropriate approach. We have 6 different types approach. It's, of course, repetition, recast, explicit correction, clarification, and elicitation and metalinguist. Most of the time, teacher will use recast and repetition that occupy over 50% of the time in class. And ironically, students often get confused because they have no idea the interpretation is in form or in meaning. It shows that the negotiation form are most appropriate approach for teachers to use in corrective feedback in class. My conclusion is, based on the experiment and the 2 cases, corrective feedback can be effective. There are 3 crucial factors need to present in class and teachers need to be aware. Number 1 is clear signal. Teachers need to give clear signal in class so students will not misunderstand what you talk about. Second is be proactive. It's important to plan ahead before class. Do not wait until students have a question so you can have a control in the class. Number 3, the follow-up. So remember to follow up with the student, then corrective feedback can have a long-term effect with appropriate approach. And here comes the 3 questions I want to talk about after the summary. The summary is saying that teacher needs to remember there's no magic bullet to change everybody's language system, and for some, it might take a long time. Here comes the 3 questions. Does immediate output equal the effectiveness of corrective feedback? Number 2, is there a potential concern between teacher's intention and learner's interpretation? Number 3, do the effect on the feedback need to be examined over a long period of time? So, thank you for watching my first project and have a great evening.